Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change wallpaper in laptop. To start, right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. After this, go to the Background section. First, in the Customize the Theme section, you can choose the picture option to set one of the default ones integrated into the system. After this, display the options and select Solid Color. Here you can click on any of the colors and it will automatically be applied to the background. Another alternative is to select the slideshow option. In this case, you can select your own images to be presented in the Windows background. Finally, you can select Windows Spotlight. With this option, the image will be changed every day based on the Spotlight content. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.